Simvoly Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. You can find the links to Simvoly in the description below. Simvoly is a website builder designed for businesses, marketers, and individuals who want an easy way to create websites, landing pages, and sales funnels without technical expertise. Known for its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, Simvoly provides a streamlined approach to building customized sites with templates that are optimized for e-commerce, lead generation, and online bookings. One standout feature of Simvoly is its focus on funnels, which allows users to set up sales funnels and lead capture pages with built-in analytics to track conversions. For e-commerce users, it includes essential tools for managing inventory, processing payments, and tracking customer activity. Another plus is Simvoly's white label feature, making it a valuable tool for agencies or consultants who want to rebrand the platform and offer it as a service to their clients. Simvoly's customer support team is accessible, and the platform provides a range of resources and tutorials for quick setup, so it's great for beginners. It also offers built-in SEO tools, mobile responsive designs, and fast loading speeds, which are critical for businesses aiming to improve visibility and user experience. One limitation, however, is the customization flexibility. While Simvoly is strong on ease of use, advanced users might find it somewhat restrictive for coding or more complex integrations. If you're a small business owner, marketer, or entrepreneur looking for a platform to build high-converting websites and funnels with minimal effort, Simvoly is worth considering. Remember to hit the like button if this review was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on tools to help you make the best choices for your business. Thanks for watching.